Imagine finally being able to bring that iconic, crunchy Sonic ice right into your own kitchen without ever having to leave the house. Welcome back. If you're an iced coffee addict, a cocktail enthusiast, or just someone who loves the satisfying crunch of chewable ice, the VIVIDMOO Nugget Ice Maker is the absolute refreshment powerhouse you've been waiting for. This isn't just a basic ice cube machine. It is a high-speed nugget ice, or pebble ice, engine that delivers your first batch of soft, chewable ice in just 6 minutes. Unlike standard hard cubes, this machine uses a specialized spiral scraping process to create airy, porous pellets that soak up the flavor of your drink and are incredibly gentle on your teeth. With a massive production capacity of 34 pounds per day, it's more than capable of fueling a summer barbecue, a busy office, or an entire family's hydration goals in 2026. What really makes the VIVIDMOO a standout for 2026 is its smart maintenance and portability. It features a one-touch 15-minute self-cleaning cycle that circulates a cleaning solution through the internal components, preventing mineral buildup and ensuring every nugget is fresh and hygienic. The unit is remarkably compact with a small footprint, 8.7 inches by 11.3 inches, and a sturdy carrying handle, making it easy to move from the kitchen counter to the RV or your campsite. With whisper-quiet operation, only 43 dB, and energy-efficient performance, it's arguably the most satisfying and convenient way to elevate your beverage game this year. Click the link below for the best price and start enjoying that perfect crunch today. If this breakdown helped you find your next kitchen essential, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the gear that actually upgrades your lifestyle. See you in the next one.